dirt, son.
So what we're doing here today is we got this shear. It's basically a big old sticker, but the material is awesome. And what we're doing is we're trying to form it. I think if we cut it up in 3 pieces, it'll be a lot better.
I think,
because that center part, that's where the plastic is going to be.
I think the owner of this bike should just shut the fuck up and walk away.
Well, that's going to be a cut. Well, here in 92, 94 degree weather in Florida, we decided to do it in the shade. Got my part, about to stick it in right now. Go.
Don't like the wind.
All right, this is a great sticker. It is from Design Engineering Inc. in Avon Lake, Ohio. And basically what this is, it's a reflector-cool. It's a constructed fiberglass material backed with a layer of aluminized reflective foil to handle direct and continuous temperatures to 400 Fahrenheit, but radiant heat 2000 Fahrenheit. So the reason I'm putting on the back of my gas tank is to cool the gas down. So when it goes into the combustion chamber for the explosion at top dead center, it's going to cool the piston down dramatically. Not only that, the gas is not going to be hot. So it'll help with the cooling of the bike. It's going to help with gas mileage. It's going to help overall. You know, you don't want hot gas going into a hot engine, you know. Also, I want to state that I have not been paid to say this. It was sent to me free. I tried it out, but I'm telling you what I think.
Alright, it's Tuesday evening and I'm just farting around, man. I'm still in Florida. I'm up over here by exit 70. That's where you get off the turnpike heading north to get on 95, but I'm going to keep going on the turnpike. And I am really liking these heat shield inserts. I mean, they were solid. It wasn't like spongy or nothing like that. It was really good, but the Hoka Motorcycle Challenge is coming up. I'm heading up there. I am excited, and let's just see how it goes, man. And as you can see, I definitely got to cut down on my stuff. I got too much, and every year, this is my 5th one. You think I would learn by now, right? Gabe would learn? Nah, Gabe don't learn nothing. Figure I'd cut this down, but you know what? When it comes time for taking off, I'll be in ship shape, cut and fat. Bam. Butterfingers.